Mother's Garage. I'm Shane.
And I'm Neisan. So what are we talking about this episode, Shane?
Wheel and tire care.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
Neisan, so the question we got was, how do I know what kind of wheels I have so that I can choose the right product?
So the surefire way to know is to contact the wheel manufacturer. But generally speaking, factory OEM wheels are clear coated or chrome plated. We do have products specific to the wheel type. So we have our Mother's foaming wheel and tire cleaner for the factory clear coated wheels. We have the Mother's polished aluminum wheel cleaner for the aftermarket wheels.
Is that also good for anodizing?
Yes, absolutely. And of course, Mother's Pro Strength Chrome Wheel Cleaner. Now you can use the wheel and tire cleaner for chrome, but the Mother's Chrome Wheel Cleaner adds that pop.
I just bought a new car and it has factory alloy wheels. What can I use to polish and protect them?
Factory alloy wheels. So that's like really frustrating because it's very broad. So it's not very specific. It doesn't tell you what kind of finish your wheels are. Factory OEM wheels, again, are clear coated wheels, which is actually comprised of acrylic polymers and polyurethane. So the proper product to use to polish those wheels, Mother's Power Plastic for Lights.
So when they say aluminum alloy, they're not actually talking about the finish on the wheels, they're talking about the actual wheel itself.
Correct. So we have here the Mother's Power Plastic for Lights. Again, this is what we would recommend to polish your clear coated wheels.
So the next question, can I use magn aluminum polish on chrome wheels?
So Mother's magn aluminum polish is not recommended on anodized, chrome plated, painted, or coated metal surfaces. So the proper product to use on chrome,
Chrome polish?
Mother's California Gold Chrome Polish or Mother's California Gold All Chrome.
And what's the difference between California Gold?
I knew you were going to ask me that question. Mother's California Gold Chrome Polish, it's a little bit more robust compared to the Mother's California Gold All Chrome. So this is something that you can use. If you have more polishing to be done on chrome, this is going to be the way to go. If, however, it's almost like just maintenance on your chrome, Mother's California Gold All Chrome. Now, if you do need to add a little bit more polish to it, you can use this and do a little bit more rubbing.
So is this one like the instant detailer of chrome polishes?
It can be, but it also has enough punch to polish.
What's the difference between magn aluminum polish and ultimate magn aluminum polish?
So metals, or metals forged in the fires of Mount Doom, require finer abrasives for that much more brilliant shine. So Mother's Ultimate Mag and aluminum polish, we had to make it ultimate. So we added SiO2 and nanoquartz technology for not just the polish and shine, but also for the protection as well.
What does the SiO2 nanoquartz do for a metal polish?
It adds that protection. So you have the shine already from polishing, whether you're using Mother's magn aluminum polish or ultimate magn aluminum polish. But keep in mind, to make it ultimate, we had to also use finer abrasives in comparison to the magn aluminum polish.
Next question, can I use chrome polish with the Powerball polishing tools?
The short answer is yes, but make sure that you use the proper product for the application. So if you are polishing chrome wheels, the proper product would be
Chrome polish.
right, Mother's California Gold Chrome Polish. One thing to keep in mind is that when you are using the chrome polish on wheels is that you want to make sure that you use slow speed, roughly about 300 to 400 RPM.
Is foaming wheel and tire cleaner safe for polished aluminum and chrome wheels?
So Mother's foaming wheel and tire cleaner is not recommended for bare aluminum wheels. While it is safe for chrome wheels, the proper product to use would be the Mother's Pro Strength Chrome Wheel Cleaner. It just makes it brighter and shinier for chrome.
And once again, it's formulated for chrome
Very
wheels.
specific. Again, we go to that point where it's very specific. You want to make sure that you do know what kind of wheels that you do have.
Here's another great question. Is magn aluminum polish safe for stainless steel parts like exhaust tips?
So that is a great question, and the short answer is yes. But be sure that the surface is nice and clean and dry before you polish. Keep in mind that Mother's magn aluminum polish is not really cleaning, but it's polishing. And you do not want to polish dirt.
Moving on, so chrome polish. Is chrome polish safe for black chrome wheels?
So if it is chrome, then yes, Mother's California Gold Chrome Polish or Mother's California Gold All Chrome would be the correct products to use to polish chrome. Now, if however that black chrome is PVD, then you want to treat it like clear coat. So Mother's Power Plastic for Lights would be the proper product to use. So know what you have.
And for those who may not know, PVD stands for physical vapor deposition, and it's actually a finish that manufacturers are putting on their wheels now that emulates some of the shinier finishes like chrome, but it's actually clear coated, so treat it like clear coat. So the next question's about foaming wheel and tire cleaner.
Okay.
And they want to know, does it remove browning from my tires?
So the first question is, what is browning? And so oftentimes when you are driving, you get that wicking, where that browning that's used to moisturize the tires to keep it from drying, you'll start to see that on the outside of your tires. And so Mother's Wheel and Tire Cleaner will help to address that. It actually is formulated to extract the dirt and grime, including the browning, from both wheels and tires. So you spray on, allow 30 seconds or so, start to see the browning dripping off from the tires, and then rinse off.
Why do I need to clean and rinse each wheel separately rather than cleaning them all at once? And it definitely seems more efficient that way.
You may be thinking that you're saving time, but it's counterintuitive. Dwell time is very critical, so be sure to refer to the directions on the back of the bottle, because each product could be different. The last thing you want to do is spray all 4 wheels, get attacked by a polar bear, and then the product itself has been on your wheels for 20 minutes. It could happen. So you want to make sure you do 1 wheel at a time, spray, sufficient dwell time, 30 seconds, a couple minutes. Again, refer to the back of the bottle and rinse off.
Is it better to use foaming wheel and tire cleaner with or without agitation?
Mother's Foaming Wheel and Tire Cleaner is formulated to be a touchless, spray-on, hose-off product, but agitation certainly helps, especially if those wheels are really neglected and you have heavy soil.
What if I don't want high gloss tire shine? Do you have a low or no gloss option?
So that's a great question because it's all about preference. So at Mother's, we have a product specifically for the high shine as well as the low shine as well. And that is our Mother's Concord tire dressing. You want to see how it works? Let me help you with that.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
You're such a big help.
Yeah, you're welcome. So all you do is spray on the applicator pad because you do want to avoid overspray. So as you can see, instantly you have that low sheen. And as you know, this is actually the preferred finish at Mother's. Not overly shiny, like new. Beautiful.
That's great.
If you do prefer a higher gloss shine, then we do have the Mother's Back to Black Tire Shine or the Mother's Speed Tire Shine. So again, it's all about preference, whether you like the low sheen or the high shine.
These questions pertain to speed tire shine, and they want to know, does it sling and how long does it last?
So Mother's Speed Tire Shine will not sling and last a long time when used as directed.
Okay, so when we say it lasts a long time, what sorts of things impact durability?
Whether or not you're a daily driver, where it's parked, the road conditions, where you live, there are several variables that come into play that impact the durability of that tire shine. But generally speaking, you can expect several weeks.
Okay, so everything is dependent on environmental conditions. What if I get speed tire shine overspray on my wheels, trim, or paint?
So you want to immediately buff off surrounding areas with a separate clean microfiber towel. And be sure that you separate your towels from your wheels and your paint.
Thanks for joining us on this episode of Mother's Garage.
And remember, no matter what you drive,
Give it that mother's love.
what's up, dude? What's for lunch?
What's up, dude? Nothing, just sandwich, banana, you know, just the usual.
Dude, it's my lunch, man.
No, dude. No, it's all good. No, dude.
It clearly says my name.
It's not.
What the hell, man?
It's fine. You want a bite?
Well, yeah, it's my lunch.
Just help yourself, dude. I mean, it's my lunch.